Hello, I'm Elizabeth, and this is your planning mentor. Today we have the Graceful Muse February sticker kit. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this. It was a little bit delayed, but that's okay because her stickers are so beautiful and I really love them. And so let's get this out of here. Here is our Hello February Chapter 2 vellum. And she's got this lovely thick vellum. And then we have this beautiful piece of art paper and so much gold foiling on this page this month. But look at this cozy couch and the puppy. We've got just bouquets of roses, a vanity. Here we have an old clawfoot tub, and I actually have a clawfoot tub in my home. We don't have the metal feet like this one has, but it is very nice for a bath nonetheless. And then we have this beautiful teacup with a heart and the flowers, so beautiful. And then on this side we have the grid paper with some scattered roses, rosebuds. Very pretty. I love the reds in this kit, and that gold foiling just really sets that off. And then we have our cardboard. This makes a nice dashboard, and it says, "You are worthy of the love you give." Very pretty. Here are our February calendar items. We've got the candy box with the word February over it. We've got the 02 second chapter, and then our monthly sticker with the calendar on it. Here we have illustrations 1, and this is called A Little Self-Love. Again, you have the bathtub. We've got some pieces of ephemera, it looks like, with a book. A girl on her bed with a phone. Letter with florals again. Another puppy. And a mason jar, or a jar full of roses. Very pretty. And then we have some roses up here in the corner with the Graceful Muse Paperie logo. Very pretty. It doesn't look like they are kiss cut, but I bet you could fussy cut around them and then you'd have a corner sticker. Very pretty. Here's our second set. It says Illustrations 2. Oops. Drop that. We have a vanity with a bower of florals around it. Faucet. Looks like maybe the bathtub or the sink with some rosebuds. The cozy couch with some popcorn. A candle. Girl holding beautiful flowers. And another box of candy with some flowers and some print under it. And then we have the opposite corner with this rose illustration. So very interesting. Here are our large florals, and we have the beautiful gold foiling. Just absolutely gorgeous. Nice edge pieces. So we have our sheet. This is called Illustrations 3, and I didn't receive an Illustrations 3 in my last kit, so I don't know if this is a new edition or was just left out of the last kit, but beautiful. We've got some teacups or coffee cups, mugs, more florals, books, and we have the film strip. And I missed the film strip last month because I use that to designate days that I do filming. So I'm glad to see that that's back. We've got some large illustrations here. And look at this. Cozy socks and pillows. And the couch with the popcorn again. Some more floral. And I did go back and look, and the florals are smaller, so that's why I didn't notice them, but these are much bigger. Very nice. We've got our torn washi strips. Very pretty. Very pretty. We've got our days of the week this month. Pretty. Have our floral washi. So pretty. And then our Hello February and our numbers. So pretty. So here we go. Let's go through this again real quick. We've got our numbers. We've got our floral washi, days of the week, our torn washi, our large illustrations, Illustrations 3, large florals, Illustrations 2, Illustrations 1, our calendar, our cardboard, dashboard, this beautiful paper, two-sided, and our vellum. Thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate any time you take to spend time on my channel. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.